today.
For years now, Salman and Ranbir have shared a much celebrated hatred bond with each other. And now Salman, who is known for his witty one-liners on his reality show Bigg Boss, recently took a dig at Ranbir when Alia Bhatt and the team of Dear Zindagi made an appearance on the show. During one of the tasks on the show, Salman told Alia, "Ranveer ko hi gayab kar do. Ranbir to वैसे ही गायब हो रहे हैं." Perhaps Dabangg Khan was referring to the string of unsuccessful films Ranbir featured in before his last release, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. It will be pretty interesting to see how Alia, who will be sharing screen space with Ranbir in Dragon, has handled the whole situation to salvage her co-star's esteem. What do you guys think about Salman's witty comment about Ranbir? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
Whoa, the on-set shoot footage of Salman Khan's starrer upcoming film Tube Light has been leaked. It's doing the rounds on social media and everybody's eyes are rolling and jaws are already dropped. The leaked footage is a tad more than just a snickety-pickety in the movie. Well, it's thrilling to see the shoot of the most awaited Salman Khan film. We also heard lately that Salman was not happy with the climax of the film, so he demanded a reshoot of the same in Mumbai itself. So Kabir Khan will eventually have to do something about it. Tube Light will release in Eid next year, and it's a long wait. Until then, we are happy peeping in the making of the film through this footage. So, lights, action, drama. What do you guys say about it? Comment below and share your thoughts.
A man turns into a gentleman when he adores a baby. And what happens when that man is Dabangg Khan himself? Well, yes. Hold on. For this will totally melt all your pumping hearts and make you hopelessly go off. This little sobbing heart love in Salman's arms probably has no idea what luck she has. We have seen Salman as Sultan, a Dabangg, a tiger or a bodyguard. But looking at him as a doting elder becomes too endearing to even handle. Salman Bhai for sure loves kids and the cute antiques. Recently, he had shared pictures of him along with so many pyara bachchas on the occasion of Children's Day. Even sister Arpita Khan Sharma admits that he's such a darling Mamajan to her son Ahil that he'll totally be spoilt in love. So guys, what do you have to say about our Sultan Khan's Coochie moment with this angel baby? Do comment below and spread the sweetness.
Recently, Ajay Devgan has completed his 25 years of journey in Bollywood. In these 2 decades, Ajay has worked in several action, romance and comedy films. In the initial days of his filmy career, he had worked in films like Fool Aur Kaante, Jigar, Dil Hai Betab and a lot more. Over a period of time, Ajay went on to establish himself as a bankable actor with his courage to pick up a variety of roles. In 1998, Ajay won a national award for his performance in the movie Zakhn. He never denied being a part of offbeat films like Bengali filmmaker Rituparno Ghosh's Raincoat. After almost 2 decades in Bollywood, Ajay decided to debut as a director with You, Me Aur Hum. Though the film was not a hit, but Devgan seemed to have become more confident as a filmmaker. And recently, with his directorial venture Shivai, he proved himself as a successful director too. What do you guys think about Ajay's 25 years of journey in Bollywood? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. The prima donna of Bollyhub, none other than the luminary lioness Deepika Padukone, will be seen slipping into Begum Karina's shoes for the remixed version of Agent Vinod's hit number Rabta. Director Dinesh Vijan, who brought Saifina together for the film Agent Vinod, is all set to make DP give a latest trend to the song. Deepika is that Shehzadi who, when she touches something, it turns into pure gold, and we are expecting her to conjure up the same magic with the revamped Bolly hit. Rabta is an upcoming film starring Kriti Sanon and Sushant Singh Rajput. It is expected to release in the coming year. Sizzling Deepika has taken a time out from her ongoing international debut Triple X and flew all the way to Budapest to shoot for the song. Well, guys, what do you think about another one of DP's arrows straight into the heart? Comment below and do share your thoughts with us.
It seems that the dolly, Katrina Kaif, isn't too happy about the fact that she's talked about more of love and breakups rather than her films and career. The Chikni Chameli has finally decided to give it a final full stop. The babe said that now onwards, she will sign only films with top superstars. Also, she's even reluctant to attend small screen shows with any of her flop movie co-stars. So no more films with Aditya Roy Kapoor or Siddharth Malhotra. Kat even went ahead and outrightly refused an offer to share the coffee couch with Aditya at the popular talk show Coffee with Karan. We heard it already that pop sugar Katrina really wanted to attend the show with superstar Salman Khan. Well, finally the diva has her wish granted as she will be seen sipping coffee with Sallu Jan at Coffee with Karan. So guys, what do you think?
Shah Rukh Khan is not only a superstar, but he is also a super dad for his children. The star dad has recently made a confession that he is too shy to educate his children about sex. Yeah, our most romantic Bollywood hero is a shy person, and so he hesitates to talk about sex, especially with his kids. Well, he thinks that his children are already smart and bright to have a decent understanding about such topics. King Khan also went ahead and said that his little ones might as well just educate Shah Rukh himself about sex, as they are smarter. So, this was not a much known side of Shah Rukh Khan. But it's good to see that Shah Rukh has an outgoing and understanding personality, especially with his children. That's called being a dream dad. So guys, what do you think about it? Do comment below and share your thoughts with us. Soon, Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt will be appearing on the Kapil Sharma show. The duo will be promoting their upcoming movie Dear Zindagi on the comedy show. This will be the second time when the superstar will be gracing the show. He and Alia had already shot for the episode and the channel will air it real soon. Well, SRK and Kapil share a great camaraderie and every time they have come together, it's been a riot. So, SRK's fans are really looking forward to see a super fun episode with Shah Rukh Khan's classy and Kapil Sharma's massy sense of humor and also with Alia's innocence and grace. So, aren't you guys excited to watch this Kapil Sharma show episode with SRK and Alia being the guests? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below. Superstar Salman Khan firmly believes in giving way to new talents. He has launched the skyrocketing careers of many successful Bollywood celebs. Tabhi he is also known as the Godfather of Bollywood. That's right. Salman Khan has played a pivotal role in drilling in the hotshot actresses like Katrina Kaif and Aishwarya Rai. Kat was clearly given a break by Sallu Mian, and she has soared higher and higher with films like Ek Tha Tiger, where their chemistry was worth a watch. Ash, on the other hand, would never have gotten the unforgettable role of Nandini in Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam if it weren't for Salman. The Godfather has also launched many new faces like Suraj Pancholi, Pulkit Samrat and the sizzling Atiya Shetty. These celebs sure do consider Salman as their godfather loud and clear. So guys, what do you think about it? Comment below and share your thoughts with us.
Couple of days back, the rumor that was buzzing around in the industry was Salman Khan being offered to play a baddie in Race 3. But, what is more interesting is when the producers were scouting for a new age director, Salman Khan had suggested Ali Abbas Zafar's name. Yes, Zafar is currently working on Tiger Zinda Hai, and if things really work out and Salman assigns his dates for Race 3, the two will be teaming up for the third time after Sultan and Tiger Zinda Hai. According to reports by a leading daily, the director liked the script, but since he's busy with another film, the producers are prepared to wait because they are anyway waiting for Salman Khan to allot his dates. So what do you guys think about Salman's recommendation to the makers of Race 3 to approach Ali to direct the film? Do let us know and share your views in the comment box below.